Is your 9 to 5 draining the life out of you? Do you wish you could get paid to exist? You are in the right place. I'm going to teach you the 3 easy steps so you can get paid to exist from the comfort of your home. We live in a world where it is easier than ever before to get paid to be you. And the kind of lifestyle this grants is immaculate. I'm talking freedom. I'm talking a true sense of purpose. I am talking fun, alignment, creativity, joy, and passion. If this sounds exciting to you, hi, I'm Alethea. I'm an online business coach for aspiring entrepreneurs, specifically magical women who want to get paid from the comfort of their home, doing exactly what they love. If that sounds like you, I would love to see you inside my community, the Alchemist Circle. It's completely free, and I am hosting tons of incredible workshops the entire month of October, so get inside and let's get you paid. Now let's talk how to get paid to exist. Step number 1, discover your passions. Your passions are the fuel for your business. You can create a business about anything. And when you lean into what you love and what you are truly passionate about, it makes business feel easy. It makes business feel fun. You're not working, you're playing, you're creating. And that's incredible. So dive deep into what you're passionate about. Some of my favorite ways to do this is to spend time alone, completely alone. I'm talking no cell phone, no pets, no kids, no family, nobody but you. Go, take yourself on dates around your town. Sit in your bedroom with a candle and journal everything that you love. Get deep and know yourself. The more that you know what you love and what feels fun and good to you, the more aligned your business is going to be. So I challenge you to spend 1 hour this week completely alone. Turn on some instrumental music that helps you feel beautiful and in flow state, and just journal every single thing that you love. You're gonna start to see some patterns, and you're gonna start to see how some things can blend together to create something so magical, unique, and exactly what somebody needs. Step 2, create your offers. An offer is just your magic packaged up and ready to sell. It really is that simple. You're going to look through your passions and decide what of these passions lights you up the most. What would feel the most fulfilling to talk about for hours, to share with the world, to help other people? Pick that and weave some of your tinier passions into it. So for example, I host a free workshop every Tuesday inside of my community called Paid to Be Me, and I blend my passion for business and getting the girlies paid with tarot, with astrology, with some embodiment practices. And I can weave all of those passions into one beautiful offer that gives one major transformation, which is you will leave that workshop knowing exactly what you can sell in your business. Yes, you will have 3 offers fully created by the end of the class. If you want in on this magic, click the link in the description box so you can get paid to be you. But do you see how an offer works here? You take your magic, you package it up, you offer a transformation, and you give it to people. That's it. It really is that easy. I recommend having a small, medium, and big offer that flow together and offer one major transformation for your dream client. Small one, they'll get a little taste of your work. Medium, they'll get a bigger transformation, and large, they will get the biggest transformation of all. So think about what problem you solve and how your passions can solve that problem. That's it. Step number 3, get paid. It's time to show up and sell your offer. Talk about it all the time to everybody you meet. Talk about it on the internet. Talk about it at the grocery store. Talk about it to your friends. Text everybody you've ever met and tell them about your offer. Talk about it a lot. more than you are comfortable with, because you can say something 37 times and some people still are never gonna know what you're talking about. Talk, 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 talk. There's so much noise right now on the internet and in the world. People are pulled in like 100 different directions. So the more you talk about your thing, the more it's going to be ingrained in people's heads. And when they're ready for your transformation, they're gonna jump right in and get on it. So choose one social media platform to start and begin posting about your offer. Tell why you're selling it. Tell the transformation that it gives. Tell your story. Tell what's inside and why it's important to people. Teach people how this can change their life. All the details, every little aspect of your offer and the transformation that it offers, I want you to talk about. I'm not saying post 3 times a day and burn yourself out. I'm not even saying post 1 time a day and burn yourself out. I'm talking like once a week minimum, 3 times a week maximum. But get online and talk about your thing. It's gonna feel awkward at first. It can possibly feel scary. I want you to show up and do it anyway. The more you do it, the more comfortable it becomes. And the longer you wait, the longer you're waiting on getting paid to be you, okay? Do you really want to sit at your corporate job for the rest of your life? No, you want to make an impact. You want to get paid and feel purpose and passion and love for what you do. Part of that is showing up and selling, telling people what you have to offer, okay? This is seriously the key step here. If you never talk about your things, nobody's gonna know you exist. No one's gonna know you even have anything to offer, and you do, and it's important and people need it. So show up and talk. I know this can feel like a lot at first. Sitting down and taking what you love and turning it into money, it can be crazy. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you and make the whole process easy as pie, okay? And that's why every Tuesday in my free community, the Alchemist Circle, I will be hosting a workshop called Paid to Be Me, where I will help you turn your passions into profit. Yes, it's from 0 to 100. You will have 3 offers ready to go by the end of each class. All you have to do is show up for one and your whole life is gonna change. You're gonna see what's possible for you. You're going to have things to sell. All for free too, like come on. So if you wanna get in on the magic, go ahead, click the link in the description box, join the Alchemist Circle, and let's get you paid. I'm so excited. So, we discovered our passions, we created offers, and now we're selling them to the world. That's all it takes. It really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much for being here with me today. If you have any ideas of what you'd like to sell, I would love to hear in the comments. What would you sell? How could you get paid to be you? Thank you so much for being here. If you got anything from this video, like and subscribe so I can keep making free content on the internet. I love you, I love you, I love you. I will see you so soon. Goodbye.